kinilagi ako
Menu?
Yes. Kay dili na ko makita ang me and you.
Ambot na ikaw din mo.
Good morning mga kamanset. So I have a very exciting vlog for today. And of course, this is actually behind the scene po sa gagawin po natin short film, no? So yung scenes, we are very thankful po. We are here in Leeca's mom kitchen plus Brews, right? So dito po sa Argao, this is actually one of the owners po. Doon sa Chitang's Torta. So ano po yung hinihintay nyo? Tara, let's! And sumakay kami sa big van ni Brother Blair. So thank you very much. And we had a breakfast with Mamaan and the cast of BYC. And pumunta kagad kami diretso sa Chitang's Torta. Isa sa pinakamasikat na torta sa Argao. And after that, pumunta kagad kami sa Leeca's Mom's Kitchen and Brews. Ito pa yung location where we are going to have our shoot with a short film. Alright. So ito yun, papasok tayo. Sobrang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng ambience and maliwalas. Laki ng space talaga, no? So it's really relaxing here and they really have a good food. So thank you very much for Leeca's Mom Kitchen and Brews. So ito, we're setting up already. And these are the casts. Thank you also very much to Blair and team. And guys, in fairness, sobrang ganda ng CR po nila. Ayun, so makikita nyo, ito po yung sink. And sa gilid, ito po yung comfort room or toilet. Sobrang ganda guys, parang kwarto ko. Ayan, pwedeng kwarto na to, di ba? So ito, nagre-ready na po. In a few minutes, we're going to start already. So that's about, I think, around 1 PM in the afternoon. Okay, ito yung mga magagandang casts natin. And guys, also one thing I like sa Leeca's Mom Kitchen and Brews is that they're also observing health protocol because it's still pandemic at this time.
Apart from you, Lord, we are nothing. Lord, I pray that you will allow, Lord, some talents, Lord, na dili na kayo dugay, dili na kayo shot, Lord.
Ako ba ka nagtao kay kuhan ka ayaw? Ayun na, okay na.
Ayan, yung tiro.
Ang lights, brother.
Yes.
Backlights I have here. Ano, perfect ka. Okay na. Ano yung first time?
Ako.
Ano sabi ka na?
Nag-inom sa kasad ka.
Yung mura kang makalitan ha. So, tanaw ka dalitaan.
Maganda rin ko.
Ayaw lang, gano'n na. Sige. Roll na guys. Standby, wala yung continue, wala na.
Silent the phones.
Phone silent lang na.
It's out.
Makita ang paper.
Dili na?
Dili ra? Oo. Pwede.
Paper na pala.
Afters, kuhan lang ka na. Nakalag tingin ko kayo para dili siya malupit sa echo. Echo kayo. Si kuhan lang yan. Nakita. Straight bro.
Yeah, come on. Let's get it on.
Dili lang mag-record. Sige, hanap ko. Speeding ka dyan, rolling ko. In 4, scene 1, take 1, action.
Nag-inom na sad ka.
Wala rata choy. Nara ko yung na
Perla.
Cut, good take. Sige, hanap ko sa dyan. Perfect, pinamili ko. Good.
Laoy?
Sa
Sa pwede na?
Take 2 ta, scene 1. Take 3 ta ha. Take 3 and action.
Nara ko yung mga pangkunang na dialogue.
Perla, we've been through the years. Oh.
Cut.
Ay, sorry.
Sige na.
We've been through the years.
Pero, wala game. As best friends na. Yan na, kagawa ko. Ano yung practice? Mura kayo sila kung sabi sa'yo, pero ano siya pang-ati?
Kailan na iba?
Pero ganahan ko the way ka mo.
Sorry sa kwan. Lagyan ko.
Lahi na kayo. Sanay kamera.
Lahi, lagyan mo sanay kamera.
Sige. Rolling. Rolling 4, 3, 2, and go.
Murag, di-shoot kami para sa usap-usap.
Oh, pag dilijud ka mo, basig kita sa para sa usap-usap. Kaparat mas nagat. Daw.
Rolling 4, 3, 2, and action.
Murag, di-shoot kami para sa usap-usap.
Oh, pag dilijud ka mo, basig kita pan sa usap-usap.
Hi, ambot na lang dyan
Okay. Pero wala mo isaw ha? Saw ka siya.
Okay. Joker, gitay ka. May gani, naa ka. Kaya kung wala ka, minsan na lang kita kung kapahangawan sa mga problema.
Cut.
Ambot na lang gid mo.
Cut, balik. Bloopers. Rolling and action.
Wala na ginindot na masulod sa pangunang-una.
Oo ba? Ani na lang. Kung wa kay lain mauna-unaan na lang po.
Ambot na lang
Ganahan ko pero
So ayan guys, si Kim, aka Perla, and me, Totyo. And we do have a lot of fun, and once again I would like to thank you, of course, BYC members, sa lahat po ng casts, sa staffs po ng Leeca's mom.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Elizabeth Veloso, on my Facebook page, my site, Elizabeth Veloso.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rajah's Vlog, and our Facebook page, Rajah. Thank you.
Yes, and guys, we would like to thank you, of course, Leeca's mom and of course BYC members. Please do not also forget to like, share, and subscribe to my social media accounts. I have YouTube channel JmT Mindset, TikTok, and also Facebook page.
Hi, don't forget to like and follow Margaret in Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Margaret Poblacion. Yeah. Thank you guys, Mom.
Yay! And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Soleman and follow our Facebook page, the Soleman.
Yeah!
JmT, the
rolling
Soleman.
Sakalam. Elizabeth Veloso lang ang sakalam, guys.
Samtang mag-shoot, may set up daan ang parang thumbnail.
Makawa pa lang yung camera.
mo na. Lo, gabiho na. Hamisa, nakuha mo ko ibang gabiho.
Please like and subscribe Liza and Blair TV and also Vlog by Blair.
Hola. Gana. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Careful lang kayo. Pagkakwanan. Sige, 4, 3, 2, and
Come and visit Leeca's Mom Cafe at Rajah Soleman Street, Poblacion, Argao, Cebu. Every Tuesdays to Sundays at 10:30 a.m. to 8 p.m.
cut. Good take. 1.
So mga kabanset, we actually have a lot of foods po dito sa Leeca's Moms. So please take a visit po, and thank you very much, of course, Leeca's, BYC members, and their team. Thank you so much and God bless. Thank you very much for watching this. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.